How to turn on or turn off always on display erase background on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, go down and tap on lock screen and IOD. From here, we tap on always on display, tap on the left hand side panel, then go down and tap on erase background. Tap on the toggle button to erase the background on the lock screen or leave it on. Here I erase the background. You can see on my lock screen here, it will erase the background. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.